Wow, Charlie just knows what's garbage. Just throw your whole self in there.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing a cleaning my room at 2 a.m. video because my room is a mess. Obviously. Are you guys wondering why I sound like this? Because me too. My ears have been plugged for 2 weeks now, and I thought maybe it was just because I've been traveling, the plane, the altitudes, they're just messing with my ears. No, I go to the doctors, they take a look at my ears, and they say that there's hard wax in my ears just built up, and it's just hard because I've been using Q-tips too much. So lesson learned, don't use Q-tips, kids, because now I have to put eardrops in my ear every single day and stick a cotton ball in my ear every single day for 5 more days so that when I go back to the doctors, my ear wax isn't hard as so they can flush all my ears out with a machine and warm water. Was that TMI? Probably. So that's why I sound like it's currently 1:30 a.m. and I need to clean my room because it's a mess. I tried filming this video about 2 weeks ago, didn't really get anywhere, lost all the footage, so I thought, might as well restart because my room is still a mess. As you guys can see, lots of clothes. I usually don't sound like this. Go watch my other videos so that you guys can realize that I don't sound stupid all the time. I'm actually gonna be selling a bunch of my clothes, so stay tuned for that. But here's the little overview of my room. When you first walk in, it literally full send. Yeah. This is what my room looks like. My actual main area isn't too dirty because I've actually cleaned this like 2 weeks ago, but my closet is dirty as and my bathroom is dirty as so we gotta clean that. But first off, I'm just kind of hungry and I need a little bit of iced coffee in me to stay up. Yeah, let's go do that. I need to get some food in my stomach.
How's your snap real quick?
No, I don't give out my snap.
No?
No. I was just trying to get my sleepy, and my guy just came up to me, and he just sat right next to me for like 2 seconds and goes, "Yo, toss your snap real quick," and I go, "No, I don't give out my snap." Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing better than me because it's 4:08 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. You wonder why? Because I've been editing a video all night. And guess what? I'm not sleeping tonight because we're gonna continue filming this cleaning my room video. I haven't cleaned my room in 4 weeks. You wonder why? Because I haven't had anyone over in 4 weeks. But today, my friend's coming over. I know, a friend. What? I have friends? Just kidding. I said friend, not friends. Anyways, they're coming over. And I kind of realized that I have to clean my room now. I'm not sleeping tonight. So you know what? I'm gonna go whip over to Tim Hortons and we're gonna go get some iced coffee so that I don't die. Can I get a large vanilla iced coffee with the farmer's wrap meal?
The next day.
I'm here to say it again. I'm back. But this time it's like 1 o'clock because I came home after drinking my iced coffee and realized that I am sleep deprived and I need sleep. So I fell asleep. But we're back and I need to clean my room because my friend's gonna come here soon. I hate cleaning my room. It is my least favorite thing to do. And I have to clean my room even though I still need to get my ears flushed out because it sounds terrible. Ugh. I don't know what to do. I need to put a cotton ball in my ear though. Give me 1 sec. I just laid in bed for an hour. Nice. Update. 4 hours later. Still haven't cleaned my room and my friend's gonna be here in like 2 hours. So, should probably do something about it. I think I'm gonna start off with my clothes and picking up like my clothes off the floor and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up all the dirty clothes off my floor and then put them in my laundry basket. So I'm gonna put all the dirty clothes in here, I guess. Yeah. Man, I don't even have like that many dirty clothes. It's literally just like clothes I need to fold, I guess. Surprisingly, haven't stained these yet. Okay, I don't really think I have dirty clothes in here. It's kind of just clothes I need to fold. I went to LA and I have a bunch of these dirty clothes that I need to wash. Okay, I'm gonna go put these in the wash and then I'll come back. Okay, I just put all my clothes in the wash and now I'm gonna fold all the clothes that are on the floor of my closet, which is a lot. Look at all these hangers I have and look at all the clothes I have. It's like a very little amount of clothes for what you would think, but I just bought a new whole wardrobe, so that video haul should be coming out soon. Playlist, I'll link it down in the description box below because it's actually like good. I'm proud of it. It's on Spotify though, so if you guys have Apple Music, I'm sorry. But it's just like such like summer jams, and it's like songs you forget that you guys like that existed. Also, I'm so surprised that I haven't stained these white leggings yet. I bought them from Lululemon, and I'm actually really scared. Oh no, never mind. Definitely did stain them. I don't know if you guys can see. Kind of. Yeah. Whoopsies. Yes, I'm smelling my clothes to smell if they are clean. So I have like all the clothes hung up here. I think most of them. I just threw a bunch of clothes that I either want to sell or that are dirty out there. So as I mentioned, my wardrobe's pretty empty, and I bought a whole new one, and I spent like $2,000 on new clothes, which a haul is coming soon, guys. So thank you to Depop for sponsoring this video. But basically, I just got rid of so many old clothes that I've had for like 2 to 3 years now that I don't ever wear anymore. And I've been meaning to do this for so long now, and a lot of you guys asked me to sell it instead of just donating it because a lot of you guys wanted to buy it. Depop is an app where you can buy and sell clothing, whether it's like thrifted clothing or your own wardrobe. Not only can you sell on Depop, but you can also buy things from other people on the app, where you can find like vintage and thrifted cool pieces that you like don't see in stores. I think it's a really good way to make money as a teen, as you sell your wardrobe, you can buy new pieces for it. If you guys want to shop for all my clothes, go check out my Depop. I'll link it down in the description box below. But I'm selling a whole bunch on there, so go check it out before it's all sold out. Okay, now I have all these clothes. I'm gonna hang them up, and then we'll figure out the rest. Okay, I'm gonna do pants and dresses here, and then I'm gonna do shirts and jackets on this side. Ow! I just stuck my nail into like, Alright, so now we have this mess to deal with. This is basically either dirty clothes, clothes I want to sell, or yeah. Alright, update, Charlie's here now. He's literally just coming here to watch me clean my room, guys. That's how entertaining I am. Okay, there's like a bunch of random shit on the floor. I don't know where to even clean. But first off, we gotta get rid of this situation, which is a lot of pictures with my ex. I threw it in the corner because I didn't know what to do with them, but I think it's time to throw them away. Great memories. I'm gonna blur these all out. But great memories, everyone. 7, 8. That's an extra $8 wasted on top of my whole plane ticket, because each Polaroid is $1. And I got these frames for $1. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, and it costs like $2 to print these pictures. So 11 plus 6 is 17. I wasted another $17 on top of everything. If you guys are confused, basically I went to go see my long distance boyfriend. Like I flew and went to go surprise him, but then he ended up being with his ex-girlfriend still, and then his ex-girlfriend got mad and then stole my stuff. And I actually made a whole vlog about it. So go check it out. Link down in the description box below. Okay, so I went to the doctor's today, and the reason why I sound like this is because my ears have been plugged for 3 weeks, and I figured out that I have chronic nasal congestion and that I probably have a deviated septum. So that's why I sound like this. So he told me to put these spray things in my nose. And if it doesn't get better, go back, and we're probably gonna have to figure some surgery out. But ready? You guys are gonna witness me do it. I'm scared. Disgusting.
You're so comfortable.
My Crocs?
Yeah.
He's wearing my Crocs. Come here. I'm putting some shit in my nose right now. Ready? I want to die. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Is it?
I hate this. Anyways, he's wearing my Crocs. I have massive feet, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, he's gonna try to help me clean my room. I don't know what we're gonna do though. Okay, what are we gonna do first, Charlie?
Garbage first.
Garbage?
Garbage, and then...
I feel like I always do garbage last.
Why? Because then if you deal with garbage first, then it's out of the way. And then you can just do...
Okay, I guess we're doing garbage first, everyone. Starting off with my closet. First off, all the pictures of my ex. Garbage. Okay. Oh, here's another one. Garbage. He's just gonna sit here and be my garbage man.
Yeah.
We have some really yummy food. Some, you know, gel throwaway do not eat packets. We have a Louis Vuitton receipt. Wow. Charlie just knows what's garbage. Just throw your whole self in there.
Okay. Gum, butterweave, mint wax. You want some floss?
Some floss? Yeah, I'll keep my
You want
floss.
some floss? Okay.
We have my hydro flask. He's just out here stealing all my clothes. Alright, wow guys, this is the progress we have. Wow. You look like a clown.
A clown?
Okay, I don't know what to do next. That's all garbage.
Garbage. Oh, okay. I don't want to touch it then.
I get new sheets like every month, so I throw them away all the time. So there's a bunch of sheets on the floor. We're gonna fix that up.
This is Mai's bathroom. I don't know what this thing is, but I think it goes on your Your fingers? Do your fingers go through here? I think they do. Okay, this thingy. Shh. Scrub your face. I don't know what else this is. These are tweezers. Oh, what is this thing though? Then. Whoa!
Are you gonna wash your face or something?
Is that what I'm doing?
It's just to put water on it and cleanser, and that's how you wash your face.
Oh, that's like a massage.
It's like a massage. Yeah. I have these boxes, and I bought them to go under my counter, but they don't even fit under my counter, so I just have to slide them under my closet. So now I'm gonna clean my countertop. Look how messy. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. He's literally grabbing my Louis V and trying to be like me.
My family?
No.
You got the bag? Backpack?
No.
Crocs
No.
season? The Crocs?
No.
Oh, and the anklet. You can't forget about
I don't have an anklet, no. Yeah! You wanna dance for the camera?
Is this serious?
You wanna self-tan yourself, Charlie?
Oh, what? Self-tan? You do my arm.
Okay, you're gonna self-tan Charlie. Can't, like, touch anything.
I won't touch it. Do like this part then, not my hand.
You're gonna look.
That looks like
No, I promise you, you'll be fine.
My whole one arm is gonna be brown. My mom's gonna be like, what the did you do? Yeah, at least it smells good.
It'll be fine.
Oh!
Wait until it develops.
I know!
What if you turn out like Donald Trump? It'd be so funny. Okay, we just stuffed out this arm. He's gonna come back here in 30 minutes and refine another layer.
What?
Yeah.
Oh no, fine. I look green. That's self-tan undershirt. Too much.
You look funny.
Did you just purposely put a ton on?
No.
Smells good. If my arm smells good, then that's what matters at the end of the day. Like, it looks like I got like a crazy down there. Oh my god, you can see it. Oh my god.
Yeah, no you can see it.
Oh, no, you can see it so much more on there. I look so much darker.
Alright, time to clean my bathtub. We just took the dopest Polaroid with our Roma shirts. Wow. Feels weird seeing the floor.
Oh, it's recording. Hey guys, it's Charlie. Back with my YouTubing career, you know. See this? That's Mai. You see her?
What's up?
Wait, you gotta put your head right where my hand is. Right there. Yeah, there you go. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna give all your followers a tour of your house, okay?
They already have.
Well, they get another one.
Watch guys, I'm gonna hit Charlie with a pillow. Ready? Ready? You're vlogging too high up. Yeah,
Is that better?
There you go. That's
Wait,
that's how you do it.
you said I'm too high up.
Well, you're going like this. You need
Oh,
to
okay.
this.
We're good. We're chilling. Hit me already!
No. Did your arm hurt from holding the camera?
No. Oh. Oh.
Dramatic.
Oh. That was not nice, Mai. Is your camera waterproof?
No.
Now it is. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, there's a tour. Here's your couch. This couch looks really cool. Here's your TV. Here's one of her speakers. There's another one of her speakers. There's her Crocs. There's one of her 20 MacBooks. There's a camera. Doesn't work, sadly. This light looks pretty fancy though. Does it change colors? Mai.
What?
Does this camera change colors? Or this not this light?
Did it turn yellow?
Oh, no, I was talking about your freaking light right there. I was asking if it changed colors. Oh, I don't know what I just touched. What did I click? Okay, I think we're good.
What the f?
See that? Woo! That's how you throw a pillow, Mai. It's the end of my vlog. Thanks for coming.
Wow, you're such a good vlogger.
I am such a good vlogger. How do I end this?
Hi, I'm back a couple days later and now I gotta put some sheets on my bed. I'm sweating. So my room literally took like 3 weeks to clean, but that's fine. 4 weeks? I don't know. 4 weeks to clean, but that's fine. This is an overview of my room. Wow. I still haven't done a room tour yet because I'm just lazy as f, but I'll show you guys what it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. There's a bunch of like boxes in here because this is like dirty clothes and this is clothes I need to do a haul with. So that's it for my clean my room video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow my social medias on the screen right here, and if you guys want to watch more cleaning my room videos, there will be a playlist link down below or at the end card. Comment something, comment whatever you want, because I read every single one of my comments, and comment if you guys subscribed from this video. Also, don't forget to check out my Depop shop, link down in the description box below, where I'm selling a bunch of my clothes. Till next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, I'm sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.